In 1933, a dark cloud descended over Germany. The Nazi Party, led by Adolf Hitler, rose to power. Hitler promised to restore German pride after the losses of World War I.
Meine Arbeit für richtig hältst. Ob du glaubst, dass ich fleißig gewesen bin, dann tritt für mich ein, so wie ich für dich eingetreten bin.
But his true aim was a twisted ideology of racial superiority. He blamed Jews, Roma, Gypsies, and others for Germany's problems, launching a vicious propaganda campaign against them. Hitler quickly dismantled German democracy and stripped away basic rights. New laws forced Jews out of jobs, schools, and public places. By 1939, their lives had become a daily struggle for survival. With the invasion of Poland in 1939, World War II erupted.
On September 1st, 1939, the weather perfect for mechanized warfare, Hitler unleashed his blitzkrieg.
Hitler's hatred for Jews escalated into a horrifying plan, the Holocaust. Horrible concentration camps were built, where Jews were imprisoned, starved, and murdered. This was a period of
Shot the man to the left of Bieski, the man to the right of him. He walked down the line shooting every other man with a pistol.
This was a period of unimaginable suffering for millions of Jews. But even in the darkest times, a flicker of hope can emerge. In this case, our hero wasn't a soldier or a politician, but a Nazi sympathizer who saved many Jews during war, with a surprising past, named Oskar Schindler. Oskar Schindler. Born in 1908, Schindler wasn't initially a beacon of morality. He seized the opportunity presented by the Nazi invasion to acquire a factory in Krakow and exploit cheap Jewish labor. Initially focused on personal gain, Schindler witnessed the brutal reality of the Nazi regime. As the Krakow Ghetto became a horrifying symbol of oppression, something changed within him. Schindler devised a daring plan to save as many Jews as possible. He created a list of essential workers, Jews deemed crucial.
Older, Pfefferberg, Miller, Pfefferberg, and Stegel, Powell, Stegel.
Doctor.
Jews deemed crucial for his factory's munitions production. This Schindler's List became a shield against extermination. Schindler wasn't a fighter, but he used his cunning and connections to outsmart the Nazis.
No. Sit. Julian, how are you? Good to see you, my friend. Oskar Schindler. Leo Young.
He navigated a dangerous path, facing constant threats and bribes. But he risked everything to keep his workers safe. As the war ended, Schindler faced financial ruin but emerged a hero. He saved over 1,200 lives, forever changing their fate. While Schindler's motives may be debated, his actions stand as a testament to the power of compassion and courage in the face of overwhelming evil. Oskar Schindler's story reminds us that even a single person can make a difference. Thank you for joining us today. Let's remember the horrors of the Holocaust and celebrate the courage of heroes like Oskar Schindler.